Hi guys, this is Jeet from Jeet King Cooking 101, a guide for total beginners. Here we show you how to cook different things. This is our first video. We're showing you today how to make quick and easy chicken momos. So let's get to the ingredients. For today's video, we'll need 500 grams of chicken breast, 3 cups of plain flour, 2 or 3 tomatoes, boiled, 1 green chili, 2 cloves of garlic, some fine chopped coriander, some fine chopped chilies, and some onions. We'll need some garam masala for the mixture and some red chilies. We also need some brown vinegar, some sugar, vegetable oil, and soy sauce. Now let's get to the cooking. So first we have to prepare a chicken mixture. So we need to blend the chicken. Okay, so now that our chicken is done, we need to add half a teaspoon of ground chilies and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Can we show the garam masala, please? Yes. So we're going to add this garam masala into the mixture. Yes. And now we will add a 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And now we will add some salt as well. There we go. Now that our mixture is done, we need to prepare the chutney. Now we peel the tomatoes, we'll add some garlic and green chili to it. Okay, so our chutney is done. Looks really nice. Okay, so now we prepare our dough. So add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half tablespoon of salt. Enjoy these hot momos with chutney. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.